Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living post market live session. Thursday Nifty expiry. Let us not spend too much of time today. I'll be quickly winding up. Nifty kind of has entered into a outrageous zone, which means wild price action has been witnessed on both the sides, and today once again it slightly gaps up, comes down for a while, and then for the large part of the day it spends within the days high and days low range, but towards the end it once makes an attempt to cross the days high, but it fails there and closes at around 21,927. So starts off well, comes down, makes a low of 21,794 and goes up to 21,953, closes at 21,927. This is with respect to the Nifty expiry spot chart. So that was how the day progressed. Coming to Bank Nifty, also yesterday's high was around 46,350. Today opens below yesterday's high, goes down for a while, and then only towards the end it crosses yesterday's high. The breakout is taken out and then closes well at 46,440, about 100 points higher compared to yesterday's close, which means now the uptrend is getting little sustained in Bank Nifty. You can see the trajectory is developing well from the lows of 44,800. It has been making higher high, and also today one more higher high. So you can see here 44,800, 45,011, 45,021, and then now we have 45,678. So almost 4 days of higher highs, and kind of upward trajectory has been established today with a very good close. Even though the large part of the day Bank Nifty was inside the range of yesterday's, but towards the end somehow it has managed to close higher, and hopefully in the coming days it will start gaining momentum. We are already seeing some momentum in some of the banking stocks like SBI, and even HDFC Bank has started doing well, I guess. So there is some amount of positive traction for banking stocks that can be witnessed in the coming days. Now if the global markets start reversing, and then it might be a different ball game. Nifty for now is not looking so strong yet, but Bank Nifty looks like it has turned around and it has clearly established a upward trajectory. If there are no negative surprises from external markets, then we can expect some positive price action developing in banking stocks in the coming days once again. So PSU banks may continue to do well after a short small blip last week. Probably in the coming week we can once again expect some amount of positive close. So 1 minute. Yeah. Coming to tomorrow's Sensex expiry. As of now, Sensex is inside range. Not much price action that can be traded as of now. Beginning of the month it made a high around 73,089, and yesterday it made a low of 7809. From there on it has been picking up, but overall it has been kind of on the downward slope itself. Looks like there is some zigzag movement here. It came down, it made a high, again it came down, it made a small high, again it made a small pullback, and this time looks like pullback is little longer compared to all other pullbacks that has happened in this month, which means probably if it now crosses 72,529, then probably there will be some more buying in Sensex. But how to play the expiry tomorrow? Tomorrow in my view the view should be on the positive side. You should trade with a upward bias more and not much with a downward bias. During the day price actions may come with different indications, but for now based on the closing, based on this week's data from Monday to Friday, Monday to Thursday, I would prefer to play on the long side. One, mainly because Bank Nifty has turned around and closed well. Second reason, Nifty today's expiry was not so very disappointing, in the sense like it has created a range. Each day it used to create 200 points up or down. Each day, one day it used to be up and the next day it used to be down, but that pattern looks like is broken now, and you can expect some amount of trends that gets developed in next a couple of days. So that being the case, though Sensex as of now has no clear indication, it is still in the sideways movement. There is no clear indication of buy or sell, but you can play with the positive bias for tomorrow's expiry. So that's it for now. It's quite late, 11:15. Let us see how the expiry for Sensex goes tomorrow. Once again, we will try to catch up tomorrow evening. Until then, Om Swasti.